Are you a freelancer and you want to create a website to showcase your work and your services? Well, now is a great time to make that happen because Hostinger, the web hosting provider that we use, has some very good deals. The key features that this provider offers are a modern website builder. For that, we have a website example so you can convince yourself, online store managing tools, a free domain for 1 year, and access to 1 free business email. You can have all of that for less than $50. If you want to learn more about Hostinger, there is a link in the description of this video to their homepage. Also, that referral link gives you a 20% discount on their services. Now, rather than just listing all the features of this provider, we'll demonstrate with examples how our team has put it to use and how much did it cost. So for that, I'll let Trey share his experience with this platform.
Hey guys, this is Trey from Creative Society. Let me walk you through my website. I've been a freelance graphic designer for about 3 years. I initially created my website with Adobe Portfolio, which was good at that time, but very limited. To be honest, I was very skeptical about all the website builders out there because I wanted something that's easy to use. At the same time, I didn't want my website to be lame, so I needed something different. Modern looking with a store so I can sell my services and templates with a custom domain, custom email address, and all of that came at a huge cost with the other website builders. I wanted all of that at a cheap price. I think that's all of us, right? We want something premium that looks expensive but with minimum costs. All of that actually became true when I discovered Hostinger, which was called Zyro at that time. With their website builder, I was able to create something that I was happy with a good looking portfolio, a store where clients can buy services and see what I got going on. Let me show you how much I paid for that. So I bought their business plan for 2 years for $86, and I also had to pay $11 extra for the domain. But at the time of this recording, you can get an even better deal because they have some Black Friday sales.
Now you can get the business plan for 1 year, which gives you access to their website and store builder, free domain with email address for only $33.12 if you use the link in the description of this video. This offer is available for a limited time, so access the link, create your Hostinger account, and start building your website. All details mentioned in this video, including Trey's website example, will be available in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share with someone who might need to see this. Have an amazing day.